Today is a kind of a celebration for me because I'm just thinking back to 5 and 6 years ago when I was writing this book. Somebody asked you a question, how long did it take you to write the book? Well, I want to say 2 years, but actually it was 55 years in the making, because it was me tapping into everything I knew about every plane, every saw, every tool that's contained in this book. And I've called it Essential Woodworking Hand Tools simply because these are the ones I consider most essential. It doesn't mean that there aren't others you might want in your tool arsenal, but this is where I ended up, and it's the perfect book for hand tool enthusiasts and anybody using hand tools in their work, whether they're a machinist and using hand tools or whatever. It's a perfect book to complement your woodworking life, and I'm hoping that you'll go out and buy it because it really has supported the work we do in providing a foundation for hand tool woodworking enthusiasts all over the world. So buy yourself a copy, get yourself your Christmas copy or your New Year copy or your birthday copy or your anniversary copy, because this is a book for a lifetime of woodworking. I know you're gonna love this book because I still love it now. It's never too much. Look at these drawings, they're beautiful. Lovely, wonderful.